SolutionMall provides commercial appliances solutions for business facilities, covering product selection, system design, integration support, and reliable project delivery across multiple operating scenarios. The portfolio covers 12 product families on one integrated solution platform, supporting restaurants, hotels, supermarkets, laundromats, retail spaces, hospitals, and commercial buildings. For laundromats, hotels, hospitals, and facility laundry rooms, SolutionMall supports an efficient workflow from sorting and washing to drying, ironing, folding, and dispatch. Cold chain equipment supports storage, preparation, merchandising, and sales, helping commercial facilities maintain product visibility, food safety, stable cooling, and efficient space use. In restaurants, hotel teams, and central kitchens, integrated dishwashing equipment supports preparation, cooking, serving, washing, hygiene control, and easier maintenance. Water heating, purification, and HEF systems support guest rooms, kitchens, laundries, and public areas with dependable hot water, clean water, cooling, heating, and smart control. Ventilation and facility equipment helps remove heat, smoke, grease, and odors, while balanced fresh air supports safer kitchens, cleaner operations, and more comfortable dining spaces. Retail and digidisplay solutions connect merchandising, indoor signage, queue calling, checkout displays, outdoor LED screens, and centralized device management for smoother customer flow. For hospitals, public facilities, and commercial buildings, coordinated facility equipment supports patient care, public comfort, hygiene services, stable operations, and easier maintenance. From installation materials and spare parts to accessories, maintenance kits, technical support, commissioning, and delivery follow-through, SolutionMall helps complete commercial facility projects from selection to long-term support.